All right, so welcome back everyone, and now we will be continuing on constructing the parabola. This time we'll be using the second method, which is giving the axial length, right, and the span, which will actually equal to a rectangle, because the axial length and the span is the length and the width of a rectangle that we'll be using to construct our parabola. Now, the length of our rectangle, or the axial length, will actually be 120 millimeters, while the span will be 100 millimeters. So let's get into constructing that rectangle. All right, so now we have our rectangle. Next, we are going to actually find the half point of our span, which is 100 millimeters, because remember now the width is the span and the length is the axial length. Now, the span is 100 millimeters. I'm just going to find the half of that, which is 50 millimeters. Now I'm going to draw a vertical line down the half point. All right, next I'm going to be dividing my span into 8 equal parts. All right, also I'll be dividing my axial length into 4 equal parts. So I have my span divided into 8 equal parts. I'm going to go ahead and use my set square to draw in my vertical lines. All right, so the next move is I am going to number these points with my center line being 0. So now I want to divide my axial length into 4 equal parts. Now the length of my axial is 120 millimeters. Now that I have my divisions, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer these points over to the other side. Now I'm going to label my division points. So with this point being 0 and this point being 0, I'm going to go ahead and say 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, great. Next, from the point 0 to each one of these points to the side on my axial length, I'm going to draw a line to connect them. All right, great. Now, where each number actually intersect, I'm going to go ahead and highlight a point there. So at 1, where from line 0 to 1 intersects on the vertical line. 1. The same at 2. Also at 3. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my French curve to join my points. Alright, so there you have it. That's our parabola using the rectangle method.